Hey, join me in making some assembly line of the Mabel of chicken. Of course, you got to buy her pattern. It's on Etsy. It's by Oak and Marlow. This is the finished look. This is part of the assembly process. So I'm going to show you what I did. Now, I'm not going to show you how to make the body because you have to get that with the pattern. But after you complete a body, make sure you have a long tail. Now, when I'm done with my tails, I stick them inside the body so that they don't unravel or anything like that. Next, we're going to add some 8mm eyes. So to add these little eyes, of course, we want to pull 2 out and the backings. Make sure you close this because I have been known to dump mine in the floor. Okay, so here, 8mm. Okay, so I put my string back inside. So what you want to do now is you want to fold it in half, because remember that it is a round bottom, but we're going to turn it into an oval. So fold it in half, come to the front here. Now you see where your half is. Okay, we're going to go down here to the second row. This is our middle one, so we're going to skip one and we're going to put an eye into the stitch. Because these eyes are so small that if you put them in between, they will fall out. And we don't want that to happen. So we put it in there and put the backing on. Push it all the way through. Okay, so we have this one, skip one, center one, skip one, and the next eye is going to go over here. Remember to go into that stitch. It's going to feel thick, and that's what you want it to feel like. Put the backing on. Now these are easy enough that you don't need the safety eye tool, but if you want one, that's okay. So here we go. You can see our eyes right here on the second row. So the next thing we're going to do is I have gold yarn. I doubled it on my yarn needle, and I have a good length because I'm going to be doing a total of 12. So we're going to come in here, see where our eye is, next stitch, straight down. Let's pull it through. Now leave about 3-inch tail, a little longer if you want. Now we're going to go over 2 stitches, go into the next stitch hole. Bring that needle back from underneath so that it's coming out here on the other side. And pull it. Not tight, just snug. Okay, now if your ends come out uneven, use your tail and pull that back. Now we're going to do this 2 more times. Now the Oak and Marlow Mabel chicken is still very popular after 2 years or 3 years, because here we are in 2026. I got a request for 12 of them. Whoops, I went through too many times. Let me pull this back out. And so, yeah, I'm like, okay. So shout out to Oak and Marlow for coming up with an awesome pattern. Now on the inside, of course, you can see when I pulled the needle back, I went through one of the stitches, so that's no problem. We'll just pull it right through. Okay, so now we're going to just tie a square knot twice. So here's the first one. let's go over it again. Here's the second one. Okay, so here's the little face of our guy so far. Now, I have the red. Now, you have in the pattern the red comb. Okay, the pattern tells you how to do it. But here I'm showing you how I make my faces. Okay, so I'm going to go up underneath. You went over the 2. So we're going to come up here from the center. Okay. You don't need much yarn, just a little one. And on this for the tail, it's a little piece. So come over. Okay, and go over. You'll see I went through the center of one, skip one, and through the center of the next one. Okay, and then go back into the same hole. Now, since I have a short piece of yarn here, I'm just going to take my needle off, come back in here, get the other yarn out of the way, and tie the square knot again twice. Okay, so here's one, and then just one more. Now, I don't need to cut this off. I can if I really wanted to, but I don't. So here we have the front of our chicken face. Now, once you stuff it and do as the pattern tells you how to finish it off, this is what you have. These things sell like hotcakes at a market. Okay, let's see. I sell mine for $15, and believe me, they sell like hotcakes. They are the cutest little things. So, shout out to Oak and Marlow for this super cute chicken. The pattern is on Etsy. And I just wanted to show you how I quickly put a face on. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.